What if I told you the biggest threat to Gen Z isn't artificial intelligence? It's the people who learn to use AI before you do. Right now, someone is finishing in 10 minutes what used to take 5 hours. Someone is getting hired, promoted, and earning more, not because they're smarter, but because they've learned how to work with AI. And if Gen Z doesn't adapt soon, millions could wake up one day and realize the world changed without them. A few years ago, people believed AI would only replace factory jobs. Then it started writing articles, creating images, editing videos, writing code, helping doctors analyze medical data, assisting lawyers with research, and answering customer questions around the clock. Suddenly, the question changed from, "Can AI do this?" to, "What can't AI do?" But here's the question almost nobody is asking. What happens when one person using AI can do the work of 5 people? Imagine 2 freelancers. One spends 5 hours completing a project manually. The other uses AI, finishes in 1 hour, delivers even better results, and charges the same price. Which one do you think the client will choose next time? This isn't a prediction. It's already happening. While many people spend hours scrolling through social media, watching endless short videos, and waiting for motivation, someone else is learning AI, building valuable skills, creating businesses, and preparing for opportunities that don't even exist yet. Every day that passes, the gap becomes wider. The good news is that you don't need to fear AI. You need to understand it. Learn how to use AI to write, design, research, code, market products, solve problems, and work faster. At the same time, develop the skills machines struggle to replace: creativity, communication, leadership, critical thinking, empathy, and the ability to solve real human problems. Never stop learning, because in a world changing this quickly, your greatest advantage isn't your degree, it's your ability to adapt. Build something that belongs to you, whether it's a YouTube channel, a freelance career, a business, or a personal brand. Don't rely on a single job in a world that's constantly evolving. 10 years from now, there will be 2 kinds of people. Those who say, "AI took my opportunities," and those who say, "AI created my opportunities." The difference won't be intelligence, talent, or luck. It will be one decision: to adapt before everyone else does. So don't ask whether AI will replace your job. Ask yourself a more important question: what am I doing today that AI cannot easily replace tomorrow? Because the future isn't waiting for anyone, and the choices you make today will decide whether you lead the future or struggle to catch up with it.